Let's see the demo of occupancy control. Right now the LED lights are glowing green. In this room occupancy controller is installed. Now once I enter inside the room, the counter count will increase and it shows occupancy reached. Occupancy sensor installed at the entrance of the door. Now I will show you the occupancy controller which is at the back side. So this controller reads occupancy information from the sensor and display on the display. So once I enter outside, the red lights will grow to green as occupancy is reduced less than 3. People counting solution deployment and testing is done from our test lab, where CCTV cameras, thermal camera, people counting devices and other solutions are designed, developed and then integrated into our command and control platform. We are also doing the remote monitoring as well as geo live of temples from our command and control. You can see Siddhivinayak temple live from this. Vitthal Rukmai temple. This is the Rukmai from Vitthal temple, and this is Tulzapur temple. So all these cameras are live streamed on Geo platform under the Geo Darshana. We have done deployment of these cameras across 30 plus temples which are live currently on Geo TV, and we do 24/7 remote monitoring of these cameras. In this we can see all the temples which are made live. Temples which are live, and all temples are made live using our infrastructure on Geo TV, which we monitor centrally from our command and control. The intrusion alarm panel, which is generally installed into the bank ATM. Depending upon the alarms which are generated, the local hooter will blow. Also the alarms will reach to our command and control. We can install multiple types of alarm, which are panic button, door contact, motion sensor, vibration sensor, energy meter, a lock or shutter contact can be installed. This is in-house designed developed system. Now let's see the command and control from where we can monitor this alarm. So, monitoring screen, alarms which are generated will be visible on the sides. ICICI banks are visible on the Google map. So once person clicks on the alarm, it will turn into the yellow mark. We see the information what action has to be taken, and video at the side can be visible. You can see the warehouse which is getting monitored from command and control. 24/7 team is monitoring alarms from our command and control. The whole the software is in-house designed, developed. We monitored more than 500 sites from this location. Let's see the demo of CMS app. Okay, this app is also given to our customers who can just log in and see the different alarms. So this app is mainly for the ICICI Bank. You get most of the information. The panic alarm can be also used by the bank manager. Total action which has to be taken if any activity happens is visible here. You can see last 10 transactions happened on the site. So signage light was made off at 11 o'clock and some other strong room door was open. So all these alarms are visible. We can also get images which are captured from this site. These images of camera is going to be like ATM camera image. Other bank location images are visible. You can see all site alarms together in this app. And by clicking on the event, you can go to a specific bank branch. Thank you. Networking plays a big role in whole of our solution deployment. We use multi-SIM routers and connect these routers to our command and control software using VPN. We are designed in-house VPN, concentrated solution and a monitoring solution for all these network devices.